Best 8 healthiest foods to eat for breakfast. Many will believe that breakfast is a very crucial meal of the day. A great and healthful breakfast will jumpstart your day well. Ever wondered what is the healthiest food to consume as you start your day? Watch this video to know more. If you find the video useful, please click the like button and share it with others. Subscribe for more future content. 1. Eggs. Eggs are not only tasty, they are also very nutritious. It contains an amazing range of nutrients which are loaded with vitamins, minerals, high-quality protein and good healthy fats. Some may be concerned that eggs are unhealthy due to the amount of cholesterol it contains. However, research shows that it has minimal impact on bad cholesterol. Therefore, do not worry when having raw eggs, as it is beneficial, unless you are advised by a doctor not to do so. 2. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nourishing live wire. Other than the obvious high fiber content, it contains antioxidants, omega-3, folate and potassium. The fiber helps an individual not get hungry too fast, and lowers cholesterol. It is also no wonder that those who ate oatmeal early in the day tend to eat less for lunch. Opt for steel-cut versions as they tend to have more fiber and protein. 3. Nuts. Nuts is a source of protein. Besides, it also contains oxidants, magnesium, potassium and healthy fats. It is found that those who eat nuts a few times a week, on a consistent basis, have a lowered risk of death than those who do not. 4. Coffee and tea. Besides coffee being a popular drink due to its caffeine and taste, it will also provide you with some healthful antioxidants. This will be useful against inflammation which causes diseases and illnesses. Some research also shows that coffee helps improve glucose metabolism. If you don't drink coffee, having black or green tea will also be great as it contains antioxidants, helps lower cardiovascular disease, aids weight loss and help you remain calm. Just a note that it only becomes bad when taken too excessively and when one adds too much sugar and creamer into them. 5. Berries. Any berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries and blackberries are excellent for any individual. It is high in fiber, has loads of antioxidants and low on calories. Studies have shown that those who eat berries regularly have a lowered risk of heart attack, and even other major diseases. 6. Seeds. These includes chia, sunflower, pumpkin and flax seeds. They contains high amounts of omega-3, protein and fiber. It will help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. 7. Greek yogurt, without sugar. Greek yogurt contains high amounts of protein, calcium and probiotics which help curb hunger and protect your gut and immune system. 8. Bananas. Bananas are easy to consume and convenient to add to any breakfast. The magic of bananas is that they are able to support your digestive system, as they contain a resistant starch. They also contains loads of potassium which helps support healthy blood pressure in any individuals. In conclusion, when eating breakfast, ensure you eat foods that are nutritious consisting of lean protein, whole grains, fruits and vegetables. This will help curb hunger, allow you to feel energetic and also will benefit your health in the longer term. Take care of your health. Like and subscribe for more weekly short health videos. Thank you for watching.